everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to go through two products. They're both actually makeup removal towels. One is from MAC, one is from Rodan+Fields. We're going to put them to a test and see which one works the best. So let's get started. As you can tell, I already have makeup on thanks to going to church service today. And now that everything is done, it's time to unwind and remove the makeup. So let's get started. The Rodan+Fields Essential Makeup Remover Wipes are a little bit more expensive than the MAC, but you get more from the Rodan+Fields than you do from the MAC. So in each one of these, there's 30 towelettes. And you get a pack of 3 of these. So that's what, 90 towelettes. And for the MAC, you get 80. I'm going to do one side of my face, excuse me, with the MAC and the other side with the Rodan+Fields. I do have sensitive skin, so we'll see how I react to both of them. The MAC doesn't say whether or not it's for sensitive skin or for just normal skin, dry skin, oily skin. Doesn't say anything like that. The Rodan+Fields doesn't say whether it's for sensitive skin or not, but being that I use their skincare products, I'm pretty confident in their makeup removal wipes. So let's get started. All right, I am using the MAC first. The MAC is a little bit larger wipe, a little bit larger towelette. The only thing I don't like about it so far is that it's very difficult to get just one wipe out of the pack. It's like having to dig in and try and find that little piece that's supposed to be sticking up. So let's see how this does. I'm going to start from under here. And also, don't forget, if you've seen any of my makeup tutorials, I have a tendency to blend my makeup down into my neck so it looks more natural. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a mask. All right, let's go ahead and get up here, get the brow, because I do use a brow pencil. That's interesting. I didn't get any of the brow pencil off. Let's get the nose and half of my upper lip and then half of my chin and go down. And then go back up to the hairline. And now I think my daughter's outside. She likes to sneak in every once in a while and video bomb. So let's go ahead and do my eyes. My eyes are the most sensitive part. I got it, so far it looks like it got a decent amount of eye makeup. More of the shadow than the eyeliner. And right now I can already tell my face is starting to burn a little bit. I'm starting to react to the MAC, but I'm going to continue. Let's see, it gets most of the eyeliner off, but again, it's still, everything is starting to burn on this side of my face. Now let's try the Rodan+Fields. You can definitely tell, you know, no makeup, makeup, no makeup, makeup. You can see a little bit of my freckles here. Not so much here. Today I decided to use my CC cream, put that to the test. I'll do a video on my CC cream here shortly. All right, now for the Rodan+Fields. So that was pretty easy for me to pull up. I love this already. It's about this, almost the same size towelette, but I love that it's smooth on one side and it's textured on the other, so it can pick up more with the texture. So let's go ahead and, wow, it's already gotten a good amount off. So let's keep going. Let's get my bridge in the nose, because I didn't get that last. So far, let's see if you can see all of that. That is a good amount of makeup. It's soothing. I'm not feeling any burning sensation so far. And I got most of the makeup off. I just had to go over one last time and just barely anything left on the skin. Now let's see how it does with the eyes. Wow, it got a good amount of that eyeshadow off, and a little bit more of the eyeliner. So let's go one last time. Got a decent amount off already. I'm just going to go over one last time. Alright, now, next I'm going to do the brow. I'm just going to take it one little corner. Let's see if it picks anything up. Yeah, it actually picked up. It's probably hard to see, but it picked up because I use a light brown just as like a little filler, but it did pick up. It did pick up the brow pencil that I use. Okay, and I'm going to try one more time on the other brow. And it picked up what the other one didn't. Now I'm going to go underneath here because of course I did wear mascara. So that's why it looks a little bit more smoky, a little bit more black underneath here than the other one, because it didn't even pick up my mascara. So it didn't smudge my mascara. And the best thing about this is, you know, with the MAC, I feel like I have to wash my face after using it. With this, you know, you can wash your face afterwards, you know, get anything extra that it might not have picked up, or you can just wipe and go. For me right now, I feel like I can just wipe and go. There's really no need to rinse your face off after using this. You can use it before your stage 1 cleanser, and the stage 1 cleanser will help, you know, just get down into those pores and get more of the makeup off. Yeah, see, this feels sticky. This feels refreshed. You know, it's still wet a little bit, but yeah, it's a huge difference. This side of the face is still burning from the MAC. This one, nothing. Like I said, it's a little bit more than the MAC, but you get a little bit more, and it just feels amazing on my skin, especially since I have sensitive skin. So that's like bonus for me. If you have sensitive skin, I would definitely recommend the Rodan+Fields makeup remover. Same thing with their skincare line. I can't say enough about it. You've seen my video of my skincare regimen. It's pretty easy to do. It takes less than 5 minutes to do for me. You know, I got it down like that once I figured it out. And you know, the next thing I'll do is I'm ordering their new skincare product that just came out last month, and I am going to try it, and I'm going to do it here on YouTube, and we'll see how it works. All right, everyone. Y'all take care today, and I will see you next time. Bye.